I'm gonna view to this, I don't know, let's say background whatever, I don't know, I don't care at this point. It's just, they told me to try to get to the end, so, yeah. You have other workers, but they said to put on like this kind of suit, and I said, nah, well, I'm Spider-Man. Yeah. So, we just gotta go through here, and they said to make it to the end. Basically, it's pretty easy. And I kind of snuck in some guns, you know? Stairs. Ew. Perfect. Oh my god. Oh, god. Record the couch. There we go. Easy. Rid of pool area. Right. What's there? I'm gonna go there first. Hey guys, don't forget. So, I have a Discord server so where me and Bastion are gonna react to some videos. So right now on screen is the Discord link. So yeah, join it and post some of your scariest or funniest videos. But why is there a car here? Do we have to go up? But anyways, that's what I'm gonna have it on screen. Oh, hey, really? Hey, it could be that hard, right? Yeah, I see the door. See, easy. It pops open. Alright, this job is easy. Give me my milk. What's this? Flicker. Those things lights up. No, they flicker. I'm out. Let me get out, let me get out. Alright. Door. Open. That's so scary. It's a chair. Where were you in the first place? They said this game is scary. Oh, that scared me so bad. Go! Go! Now! Oh my god! That thing that ink. Well, but round 2. I'm bringing bombs from you because that actually scared me so hard. Did I kill one of them? I'll say it right now. Kill you right now. He died. What's this? Oops. Oops. Bro, I love how this acted good. In a briefcase. Okay, anyways, back to what's up? Oh yeah, letter. Okay, am I so safe? So God. It's already made it to the end. Alright. Okay, nowhere to go. Okay. I feel like I should get this bomb, right? Yeah, this one. We have to kill it. How do I open up? Open up. Look at my thing. Okay. Just gently open that up.
No problem. Second again.
Options. Audio. Where's audio? Oh. Alright, now we can play. Maybe that's too loud. 50. Alright. Hold up. That's still way too loud. My eardrums are so bad. 20. That's perfect. It's so loud. So loud. Okay. Hold on, maybe if I turn it down. Alright, much better. Alright, now what if I just... Alright, there. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Alright, back to we are. Hurry up, hurry up. Get my rocket launcher ready and locked and loaded, bro. I'm finna hit that. Because oh, I should not have done that. Where do I see that kid pop up, bro? Bro, actually, that actually scared me, though. That bro actually scared me. Like, if I'm being dead honest, I played this game before, and he killed me the first time, but I got really scared the first time, and I didn't know that actually scared me. Okay, this is actually like a horror game. But without Bastion, it's so scary. There it is. There he is! Yo! Yo! Yo, go, go, go! Look it up. Look it up. Go, 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 go! Oh my god, that actually scared me. That's actually scary. You gonna get up? Wait, did we kill him? Killed him. Alright, so I thought. My god, bro, that actually scared me so bad. I think I can kill him, bro. That actually sounds hella creepy, bro. I'm getting chicken skin right now. Let me take one of my headphones off. What is this? Wait, if I could press it? Oh, I almost took all my damage down. What if there's like more entities? If there is, I might be jump scared. This hole. Whoa, I'm not doing this again. It's just right there. Wait. I made it. It's not. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna take the other path. See where that leads. Get through. Alright, so there's a path right here that I saw. Easy. Chill area. But I think I've seen this part. Look at the horror game. Cheers. It's pretty easy. Easy of a game, kind of a horror game. Alright. That's it. I think I'm good. You know, pretty good. Alright. Yeah, I'm quitting this job. Hold up. I'm back home. I'm not going back to that job. But I do kind of want to move. No. I might just like, did I like take this whole entire place out? I think I should. It's only a few more things. No bother. Alright. We're gonna need this to put our stuff in. Wait, we're gonna need a frame. Right. Let's just get these smaller ones. Break them down. I'm gonna put them up in there, right? There. And right. There. Right there. There. God. base somewhere. I am making a fire out back. Okay. Guys. I'm not dealing with this, oh my god. That's like crush him up. As if they actually just crush him up. Oh my god, this gonna take forever. Easy. Come on, come on. Boom. Oh, freak, forgot. And, boom. Alright. I think, okay, we're gonna get, okay, let's get these. I don't know. Alright, that big tree raised the crane to carry it. Alright, just gonna like tip it up in here. Right there. Alright. Try to get out back. Out back is a big fire I'm starting right now. I'm gonna barge to the gate, I can fix that later. Yeah, please don't break it, please don't break it. We're good. So the owner said that he's gonna like, the owner said there's something that's been going on, like people checking around the place, but you don't really know. So that's why I'm moving, but yeah. This is like weird. I said, this is the place I'm really a big fire. I'm gonna burn it down soon. Alright. This is gonna be part 1 of the series I'm making. Alright, that's number 1. I'm gonna just buy a new one of these and we'll sell it soon. Alright, that's me like next part. Oh my god! Also starting a supermarket job. That'll be fun. Not a job, like, I'm gonna make a whole new series of like something. Alright. Well, that. Now, yeah. I might be moving out on the other side. You know, oh my god. I could like, look at these. Alright. Let me get all this down first. Alright, so what if like, oh my god, I'm getting rushed. Okay. I'm gonna get the back one soon, because I can't, but that's actually everything. Oh my god. I'm very interrupted. By the way, this game is called Teardown, by the way. So, if you download it on Steam, then yeah, it's actually a really fun game. Okay, this is actually hard. I might use the crane. Well, if I break it up in smaller pieces. Oh my god. Alright, okay. Let's stick over. Alright. That's again working. Oh, freak. No! Chop that off. With this piece. Put it in back. Alright, that's better. Alright. But I'm gonna add it back too. I have some wood, so that'd be nice. Let's just put that. It's snowing a lot. Alright. In here. Okay. protect my field. God. I can get something. Alright! Now, we have one more thing to do. So, hold up! I might go get a bulldozer. Should I do that? Yeah, I might go get a bulldozer. Alright guys, I'm gonna go buy a bulldozer, so yeah. My bulldozer! Let's go. But I gotta remember these controls. Let's put it down. Wait, I asked not to put this on there. Break it all. Told me not to break it on there. Wait, what is that? Get it up. Hey, Daddy. Never mind. God. Told him not to do that because it slows me down a lot. Alright. Finally it came in. Took me a few months. And my gauge ruined. I forgot how to get oh my dozer. Bro, my crane. Bro, I'm probably not even gonna use this crane, bro. I'm gonna get a new one, part 2, bro. I'm just gonna get a new crane. First of all, I'm gonna rip this whole thing off. Done. Alright. You know what time it is? Clean this up. Wait, come on. Yeah. I'm a professional at this. I move my dump truck. Alright. Died. Last little bit. There we go. Alright, now time to get a blowtorch. No, leaf blower, hold on. All that stuff. The side. Pick that up later. Let's put it up with the vacuum. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick it up with the vacuum. I'll pick up sand too, that's nice. Alright, I think we just blow into one pile. It also has, oh my god, the sides. Not to belt? Oh my god. So much stuff. I got there's a good here. There we go, this place is cleared out. Now. We'll pump out this stuff right here. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. I can just stuff apart. Alright. Let me get my dozer. Not my dozer, that's a dozer. I'm probably gonna sell the crane anyways. So yeah, part 2. I'm probably probably going to sell this. Probably, I don't know. If I can get up right there. I'm gonna buy a bigger crane. Alright guys, but that's it for today's video. And hope you like today's video, and I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to join Discord. Yeah, link will be in the comments, and it will be on the top right of this commentary video, so, yeah. But that's it for today's video, and I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.